there. Installing this new headlight holder case for the Sportster here, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we gotta remove these. We gotta pull the wire. The wire that I need to unplug is just right there, but it's too freaking snug in there. So we're gonna have to lift the tank up so we can access it. Now this fucking thing is in the way. Everything is so like shrink wrapped together. I just gotta reach the little tab. It's a little tab, you know, to break apart the wire. Got it. We might have to do some splicing here. Oh my god! Everything on this bike was installed so fucking tight. What the fuck? What the hell? Okay, so here's the situation. This is the stock light, and this is the kind of connection it has. This is the aftermarket thing that I bought, and this is the kind of connection it has. So what I'm thinking is I can splice these and make them come onto this. Hopefully that works. So I'm pretty much going to try to wire it all together. I have the new LED headlight here, and we'll try to get everything situated. Okay, so I pretty much just wrap the open wires to the connection points here, just to see if it was gonna if it would work, and voila! There's the light, and piping. So it works. So now I'm gonna take this apart, actually get these wires spliced correctly so that we don't fuck shit up, and then install. And the one little problem is gonna be this. I need to buy a new mount there, but that's easy. So instead of doing any soldering, we're gonna use these little guys that you just slide the connection you need through there, other side, and then clamp it down, and then you can heat them up so the insides melt a little bit. This is the mount where the headlight goes. I'm gonna see if I can shred them down a little bit and just make it fit. so there it is. Using the stock one, I just grinded it down and it fits pretty good. Alright guys, so I just came back from getting some food, and I've now finished a little project here. Take a look. Let's straighten these out there. Freaking turn signals. I hate the Harley turn signals. But anyways, there's the LED. Pretty good. The wiring that I installed is a little tight. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tight. But it works. Put this in here. It works. Let's fire. Turn on the lights here. Whoa! There she is. Got a good, got a little bit of clearance there. I had to actually I had to shave a little bit of this piece here. Shaved it down a bit, like just a fraction, and now it fits. And if it's good enough where the light points straight. But yes, that is it. Another episode of the Shitty Upgrade Show. And I'll catch you guys later. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.